Microfiber cloths are everywhere, from cleaning your home to detailing your car to polishing lenses. But what exactly makes them so effective? Today, let's break down the science behind microfiber, why it traps does so well, and what GSM really means. Microfiber is a blend of polyester and polyamide. In simple terms, polyamide is just our regular old nylon. These fibers are incredibly thin, up to 1/100th of the diameter of human hair. That means in just single square inch of cloth, there are thousands of individual fibers. Basically, we have two types of microfiber structures used in clothes. The first one is split fibers that has polyesters and polyamide are chemically split, creating tiny wedge-shaped threads that can attract lot of dust and grime. Non-split fiber type, which are smoother and less grabby, often used in applications like clothing. For cleaning, split microfiber is a magic. Its wedge-shaped structure increases surface area and acts like millions of tiny hooks that grab dust, oils and grime. Now let's understand what does this GSM mean. GSM stands for gram per square meter. It simply tells you how dense and heavy the microfiber cloth is. So in basic terms, higher the GSM, the softer, thicker and more absorbent the microfiber will be. But again, one thing to note here is it completely depends on the material used and the combination of polyester and polyamide. If you are my regular viewers, you might already know that I've been using multiple types of cloths for every cleaning and detailing purpose. And if you're looking for buying one good quality microfiber cloth, I recommend using Car 111 microfiber cloths. When you initially purchase, this is how the packaging looks like, and it has labeling saying that it's extra thick and high in GSM, 600 to be precise. And this is extra large and ultra water absorbent. Behind the packaging, you can see certain details of how to take care of your microfiber cloth to last long. Now opening the packet, you can get to see the microfiber cloth itself, and it is pretty neat, and as mentioned in the packaging itself, this is pretty huge. Being 600 GSM, this is pretty soft and fluffy, and also you can see individual strands which can absorb lot of water and dirt and grime. Now on the opposite side, you can get to see a softer side which can be used for drying purpose. And yes, this microfiber cloth can be used for both detailing and drying purpose. This also has Car 111 branding on the back side. And to show you guys, I have been using Car 111 products in my past, and this is one more microfiber cloth which I've been using on a regular basis. Now let me show you the water test. Now this is my Domina 400 and the windshield of this is been covered in dirt and grime from my past ride. I'll spray down the entire windshield with some soapy water, and I'll be using non-branded microfiber first to show you the difference. This is one of the soft and fluffy microfiber cloth that I have, but still it doesn't manage to absorb entire water. Also you can see it leaves behind some streaks of water on the entire windshield. Now I have a better cloth than this. Let me show you how it works. Again, spraying with soapy water and wiping it down, this microfiber cloth, which is slightly on higher price, functions better in terms of absorbing water compared to the non-branded one. Now let's see how the premium quality microfiber cloth performs against all the non-branded ones. Spraying again with soapy water and wiping the windshield down, you can see it managed to absorb entire water, and also it made the windshield completely dry. There is no moisture when I wipe my finger against the windshield. Now just for comparison, I'm gonna use the same windshield and spray it on with soapy water, and I'm gonna use all three microfiber cloths here to show you the difference. As you can see, the premium one stands premium and also absorbs complete water from the windshield. Now this is not only for absorbing water. A premium microfiber cloth is actually used when you need to clean and detail your motorcycle or car and doesn't want to create any scratch or glossiness into your paint. Since my bike has a matte paint, you must use a microfiber cloth which is very premium and can absorb all the dirt and grime completely. If you use any other cloth like cotton, the dirt and grime can rub against the paint surface and create glossiness, which will turn your matte finish to a glossy one. I think it's too much for today. I hope you have learned something, and if you people find this video informative enough, please do consider subscribing to Archaeonics and follow me on Instagram for more such interesting content.